So here I am, coffee in hand. Planes grounded.
Air travel, credit card payment systems, bank.
Computers offline. The world's going insane. Mac and Linux users were not affected, however. Turns out, a single dev's update caused a worldwide catastrophe. Let's start with, what exactly is Crowdstrike? As simply as I can put it, it's a cybersecurity company that helps protect computers, phones, and other devices from hacks, malware, viruses. Crowdstrike has by far the largest market share, which means a ton of huge companies rely on it. Okay, so here's the issue. I know it looks complicated, but don't worry about it. Basically, your computer has memory, a giant list of numbers. There are parts of the memory that you aren't supposed to read from, like the restricted section of a library. Well, this guy was new, and he accidentally introduced a bug that tries to access restricted memory. This got automatically downloaded onto everyone's machines. Now Windows thinks some threat is happening, and it instantly kills the system, called kernel panic. So that's it. One dev, one small mistake. Untested code pushed to server. Now how does Microsoft fit into the picture? Well, turns out Microsoft sends updates to customer machines without testing. We call this raw dogging. How do you fix this? Instructions and caption. Thanks for watching.